In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask Claude to help you sell anything. We'll keep this simple and practical. You're going to do three things. Craft one strong prompt, hit submit, and then read the results so you can take action. I'll use a socks business as the example, but the same approach works for any product or service you want to sell. First, make a prompt. Open Claude and clearly tell it what you want. Be specific about your goal and the areas you want help with. For example, you could say, "Help me sell my socks business effectively. Give me a clear strategy to attract customers and increase sales." Include ideas for branding, target audience, pricing, and where to sell, like online, social media, or local options. Suggest marketing strategies such as social media content, promotions, and ways to make my socks stand out from competitors. Also include ideas for product designs, packaging, and customer engagement. Keep everything simple, practical, and easy to follow for a beginner. That level of detail gives Claude the context it needs to produce a structured plan rather than vague tips. If you already know a few things, like your price range, materials, or style, add that to the prompt. If you're unsure, ask for beginner-friendly recommendations and examples. The clearer the inputs, the more actionable the output. Next, click Submit. That's it. No fancy settings required. Give it a moment to process. If your internet is slow, just wait. You don't need to refresh or type the prompt again. Once the results are ready, scan the response for the big pieces you asked for: brand positioning, ideal customers, pricing guidance, and recommended sales channels. Look for practical actions, like sample social media posts, weekly content themes, launch promotions, or ideas to differentiate your product. Maybe bold patterns, limited editions, bundles, or seasonal designs. Check packaging suggestions that elevate perceived value, such as recyclable materials, a simple insert with care tips, or a small thank you note. For customer engagement, you should see ideas like referral discounts, loyalty perks, or behind-the-scenes updates. If anything feels too broad, ask Claude to rewrite it with numbers, timelines, or examples. If a section is missing, copy that part of your original prompt and ask for a deeper dive. You can also request a one-page action plan or a checklist version so you know exactly what to do this week. That's the whole process. One clear prompt, submit, and review the ready-to-use plan. Use this same structure for any product, just swap out the details, and you'll get a focused strategy you can start using today.